These are the blades. They're pretty big. Now they're gonna back those two in over there so we can unload them. There's another one sitting on the other side of that crane. We'll go ahead and climb up here. See what we got. Sorry for the bumpy ride. Here in the cabin. It's all the craziness. Trying to get to my little secret spot with the keys. Oh, great. Oh, this is the cabin. As you can see, there's a lot of little knobs and switches, and a little computer over here tells me what's going on. Hand controls. My level is the most important piece. Looks about right.